Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to explore another window trick, and we are going to explore that how we can unfreeze our system if it freezes due to any kind of app that is not closing, and we have to force shut down that app. So let's get started, and before starting the video I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel Windows Tips, so you never miss, and do press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So the first thing is that we are going through is that the trick that we are going to the tool and the trick that we are going to use today is very helpful in a case then whenever your system freeze, and it freezes and it is not unfreezing, and the conditions that the system freezes due to all the uncertain issues, such as you have an app that contain the virus, and it has been opened but it is not exiting. And before exiting it demands to be forced shut down. So in that case you have to end that task, and how you can overcome all the factors of the viruses, and how can you see that the background processes that are running on the background of your system. So in this video we have to find all that things. So let's get started. So the tool we are going to use is referred as Task Manager, and it is a number of users know about it, but a number of users don't know about it. So I'm going to tell that how we can use Task Manager. So it is simply used. All you have to do is that you can either open it from here by typing the Task Manager, or if your cursor is not working, then you can go with the keyboard and Control Alt and Del, these three key, and then you can click on the Task Manager. And after clicking it, you can find the processes, performance, app history, startup, user details, and services. All the options have been located here. So from here you can either run a new task, or you can close the existing one. What if I create a new notepad file? What if I start a new task? So I have created a new notepad file and I am starting a task. So let's suppose I have to close this task that is currently running. So you can see that it catches and it scanned that a new task has been generated that is named as notepad. So what if I want to close this one? So, and you can also explore it, and you can check that what are the subtasks of that task. If I open a number of notepad files, it will show me a drop down list that you have opened that one and that one and that one. So in my case I have opened only the one file that is referred as test.txt. So it has been opened, and now I want to close it. So what will I do? You only have to close it with end task. So you will see that the task has been closed and it is forced shut down. Okay, do you got it? So we are moving to the towards the next phase, and that is, I've told you that we can also examine and we can also analyze the background services that has been running on the background of our system. So from where we can see the services, you can see the services by clicking here, services, details, users, all the information will be located here. Okay, so whenever you click the services, you will find the services, and whenever you click the details, you will find the details. Whenever you will click the users, you will find the users. What if I want to check the app history? So this is the app history and all the stuff that has been opened. And after that, if you want to check that what are the background services and the services that are running and that are not running, there are two kind of services. So I can see that a number of services are in running form, and a number of services are not executing. They are stopped. They has been stopped. So you can either resume the stop one, or you can either stop the running services. So you are good to go. It's on you. How can you manage the things, and you can set the things by yourself. So that's all from the today's video. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you enjoy the video, do press the like button and do comment if you have any kind of query regarding today's video, and do subscribe my YouTube channel so you never miss any kind of update from my side. And thank